Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can tell from the title, this is going to be like a glow up because I really need it. My skin's a bit, I'm talking about my skin, I'm touching my hair. My skin's a bit, disgusting. You can't tell right now because I have a bit of concealer on, but it's really bad, but I'll show you later. My hair's, need to put some makeup on. I don't really want to put like a really fancy outfit, but I want to put something, so I feel, on point. So this is going to be a 0 to 100 transformation. So if you want to see how I go from this to somewhat decent, then please keep on watching. I've already fake tan, that's the only thing, so I'm nice and my hands are a little dark. I usually don't sleep with my fake tan on, just FYI. I like, look at that. I mean, whatever, I'll do with it. But like, I got just really lazy, and I usually tan like first thing in the morning on Friday nights. It is Saturday, so yeah. And probably can tell from my arm, I had an implant on, which is a type of contraception. It's a little bar that goes in your arm, and yeah, it's contraception. Took it out because my skin decided to have a reaction to it. Like, see this? Like, really? Like, I broke out. This is the good side. This is the bad side. So, like I said, you'll see it later. So I have fake tanned. I'm gonna go get my nails done because they've already started like to chip. There's a bit of lifting, so I might get that sorted, and then yeah. Oh, and I don't have a car right now to drive, so I have to walk there. Gotta burn those extra calories, even though I went to the gym. My ass is gonna hurt, but yeah, let's go.
Yeah, this is what we're working with right now. So, previous filming was on my iPhone, so this quality might seem a bit better. So, yeah. So everything's a little bit clearer. Okay, so my hair's a bit of a, I don't know what I'm doing with it. Oh. My fake tan's a little dark. I've got Loving Tan on, which I love the product, but I usually only keep it on 2 to 3 hours because it's an express one. And then I wash it off, but I didn't do that yesterday. I ended up going to bed with it, and now we've got the orange hands and the white face. Like, my hands are really dark. Yeah, I didn't moisturize. I mean, like, my legs are alright. My feet and ankles are, But this is how we're starting with. Also, I had concealer on my face. I now have nothing of skincare, because if your skincare is good, everything else is somewhat better. Let's hope so. I'm also drinking a smoothie, which has banana, strawberries, spinach, linseed, chia seeds, oats, milk. I like it. I like the taste. Some people might not like the taste. It's fine. But I like it, especially because I'm lifting heavy. Went to the gym today, which has been like pretty much like a week since I've exercised. So my body was just like feeling like shit. So let's sort this. All right, let's sort this out. Sort my hair out. That was my mummy again. Sort my skin. These hands are gonna bug me. Probably bug everybody else, but we will fix it, people. All right, I'll be right back. Gonna wash my face. Okay, so just washed my face. I did put some eye cream. Oh, forgot my ring. I was in the bathroom. I didn't put a toner on because I ran out in Sydney. So I'm buying that tomorrow. Really need a toner. I use the Mario Badescu aloe vera toner or something. Whatever. And then I just put the Ole Henriksen eye brightening cream. You know the one. So that's that. I think I always do hair last, so we're gonna start with the face. I might just do a thing with the video where it's, you know, spins up fast, because it's not a tutorial. I'm just, you know, trying to look better than what I am. Okay, well, let's get this makeup on. Oh my god, it looks so bad. It's just, I need this. Seriously. I look like a teenager. Okay, so face is done. Yep, my hands are still darker. We're just gonna have to live with it for a couple of days before it fades, and then it's okay. So makeup is done. I am feeling it. Did a bit of yellow, a bit of reds. You know, lipstick, I just used like Jordana lip liner in Coco Loco, and just used Velvet Teddy on the middle, which I really don't use this lipstick, but you know, I'm feeling it. All right, so next step is the hair. So generally, what do I do with my hair? I do actually nothing with it. I literally leave it natural. Oh, thought I heard something. All right, so because, well, kind of does what I want it to do. Most days. See, like, camera just decided to have a full memory. All right, so with the hair, I could just, I was gonna straighten it, but like I said, I really don't do anything. And it's got a bit of, sorry, I've got my mirror just over here. It's got a little bit of volume, so I think I might just work with it. Yeah, I think I might just, like, my hair does what I want it to do. So I'm lucky in that aspect. I literally put heat to my hair like less than 10 times a year. This year, I would say maybe 5 or 6 times. Oh, this year. It's 2020. Sorry, 2019 I did around 5 or 6 times. I do want to get a waiver. I want to try that. But do I want to try it? Do I want to put heat to my hair? But yeah, whatever. I'll see. But that's as good as my skin's going to get. Like I said, this is the bad side. I'm just going to zoom you up. Oh, that's blurry. Can't see jack shit. Alright. There is a little bit, like there's something there and a little bit of bumpiness. But like I said, that scrub that I just used literally got rid of all the dry skin. That stuff is crazy. I can't really give you a full opinion of it as of yet. I'm going to try and test it out for a week, see what happens. You know. We'll see how it turns out. But yeah, so lastly, I'm going to fix this outfit because right now I'm still in my gym clothing. Yeah, that's kind of disgusting. Have I showered? No. Will I shower later? Yes. Yes, I will. So I take off my makeup, I wash my face because with all this acne and whatnot, I need to fix it. So I did do my nails. They are pink now instead of that nude color, which wasn't the nude I was after. I have a nude on my toes. I took it from my grandmother. She got it for Christmas. She said to keep it, but I'm not that type of person. I will go purchase my own nude nail polish. It's from Sephora. Color's awesome. But yeah, we're going to go straight into the outfit before I blabber on anymore because I am one hell of a talkative person with or without camera. Just saying. Okay, I am not going anywhere today. I just did a full face of makeup. Actually, I might just go to the shops and buy some food. Just so this makeup doesn't go to waste. But we will relocate to the wardrobe. I will use my phone. It's just, I can't get this autofocus thing to happen on my camera. Can somebody help me? It's a EOS 60D Canon camera. And I literally have to focus it myself when I'm filming. And it's a pain in the ass because I will sit back here and I'm blurry, or if I get up this close I'm blurry, but it doesn't autofocus. Even though I paid $800 Australian dollars, it still doesn't do it. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I've googled it, nothing seems to fix the problem. So that's why we're going to go straight onto the phone, if that's all right with you guys. My eyes itchy. Bad timing when you have eyeshadow, but yeah. Current outfit right now, night shorts, rockwear top, Calvin Klein sports bra. This is my current body after having 2 babies. That's alright, it's not that bad. I'm working on it. Whatever. Alright, so we're going to do this outfit. See that glow? Oprah. Get it. Alright. So I've got my outfit, misguided Playboy top, shorts from Jeans West, which I need to go get another pair because they're so comfortable, they have no stretch, but yet it was made. And then for shoes, I'm just going to stand just my Birkenstocks, like I said. I'm not really going anywhere. Might get some groceries, which I forgot. And that's about it. Jewelry, I just literally wear my wedding ring with my other ring. And that, my dear friends, is the glow up. The transformation. I actually feel and look a million times better. Confidence has gone up. Oh, you can't see it in the screen. It's that high. And it was down, like, right there, okay? It's a little cockeyed, I'm sorry. This stand, whatever, it's still gonna be cockeyed. But yeah, so, if you like this video, please give a thumbs, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Ding. If you wanna see more of these types of videos, please subscribe. Here or here, whichever side, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. This year,
this is the first video of 2020. I want to try and be consistent and upload frequently of like beauty related videos. I was trying to do like about my health and all that, but it's just, my life is boring. So yeah, but I like experimenting with makeup. So yeah, if you like the glow up, if you like the highlighter, which I love, yeah, if you want to see more of me, people, just hit me up. No, that sounds terrible. I will also leave all my social media down below or on the screen. I'm still an amateur when it comes to like editing and whatnot, so hopefully, you know, all in good timing, it's all sorted. But yeah, I'll give you the heads up on that scrub thing, give you an update on of my skin and whatnot. But I'll see you guys later.